And now, flight fans here in Chiang Mai and watching around the world, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Brought to you by Wiangping Independent Pilot Group, live from Huai Lan Reservoir here in Sangkampeng, Chiang Mai. It's time! In the cage are many parakeets from many homes. On the perches are parakeets, lorikeets, budgerigars and macaws and several types of parrots. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let them fly free! Welcome to Huai Lan Reservoir. We're out here in Sangkampeng, looking out over the water, over the valley behind us towards Sangkampeng that way, and this fantastic scenery over here towards the back of the reservoir. We've come here to see the Wiangping Independent Pilot Group. They bring their birds here every Sunday. I believe they also do Wednesdays at another location still, but here 4:30 to 5 o'clock, round about that time, they gather here on a Sunday afternoon, and they just like bringing them along and socializing and getting the birds to interact and fly off and fly around. There's one guy here, he's got 3 birds in a tree over there and he's trying to get them back. He's got 2 great macaws and a couple of parakeets, and they've all flown off, all 5 of them, around about half an hour ago, and they did a little circuit, and then the 3 decided to rest up in the tree, and they haven't come out of that tree yet. It's the big tree down there. The poor guy's still looking for them, but maybe when the other parakeets and lorikeets and macaws and budgerigars and other parrots take flight and go around in circuits, they'll join them. So that's what normally happens anyway, but yeah, it's a lovely event, and to see it against this backdrop of the mountains and the water, it's a fantastic experience. Hello. That's sweet. What have you got to say? Yeah. You're going to go for a flight? You're going to go around there and have a flight?
Yeah.
Well, today there's been lots of people camping by the water. Camping as in sitting having a picnic. They've got little tents and shelters shading the bright sunlight and just sitting next to the water. Maybe the children are playing in the water as well. And there's been a whole convention of bikes over there. There's about 20 Triumphs and Harleys just sat by the water having a beer, as you do. Yeah, what a lovely picturesque place to come and have a picnic in the afternoon. Very nice.
My heart goes sha la 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 la.
Oh, Mini Driver. Sawasdee krab. This Mini just pulled up here, and in the passenger seat sat on the cage that's the little box on the passenger seat was this macaw, not this one, but that one over there, and it was like as if it was a true passenger in the vehicle as it was driving along. You could see this head bobbing up and down as it was coming towards us. How cute. Nearly as cute as this little guy here. There's no human there guiding them. They're just making their own way home, and they're off down the end of the track there to join the other cattle back home. I can hear this bird breathing. He's panting. There he goes. Wow, you could hear him breathing. Maybe you caught it in the recording, I'm not sure.
ไปละจ้าแม่ว่าแบบบินนะลูก
เน้นออกกล้อง
เอาไหมเอาไหมเอาไหม
Wow.
เอาไหม
Well, I'm going to sign off now. I'm going to wish you well, and I thank you for joining us here out at Huai Lan. It's been a lovely evening, and I hope you enjoy the video. And from all of us here enjoying the birds free flying with the Wiangping Independent Pilot Group. See you next time. Bye bye.